morning, students, and welcome to your English class.
Today, we will learn about letter X. Letter X is the next letter after letter W. It has two sounds, X as X-ray and Z as xylophone.
Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture?
In this picture, some children are playing around Xmas tree and a little girl is playing xylophone. Xmas tree and xylophone are friends of X. Do you know some more friends of X? Children, X is mostly used in the middle or at the last of the word. X-ray, fox, box, X are some more friends of X. Children, in this lesson, we learned about X-ray. Do you know what does an X-ray tell us? An X-ray tells us about our bones inside the body. It can tell if a bone is damaged. How many children are playing around the Xmas tree? Can you count them? Right. 5 children are playing around the Xmas tree. Let's learn to write letter X. It's very easy. Can you see the red dot? Place your pencil on red dot and move it on other dots. It is very easy. Now, practice to write capital and small letter. For more updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.